Government can increase the limit of debt waiver. Finance Minister Manpreet Singh Badal, Rural Development Minister Tripat Rajinder Singh Bajwa and Local Bodies Minister Navjot Singh Sidhu are included in the Cabinet subcommittee. There are approximately 18.5 lakh farming families in Punjab. Government can increase the limit of debt waiver. The limit for crop loan waiver may soon be enhanced in Punjab. Cabinet subcommittee meeting on debt waiver is scheduled to be held on Wednesday, in which the issue of increasing debt waiver limit from 5 acres to 8 or 10 acres may be discussed. In fact, even after the declaration of debt waiving, farmer suicides have been continued. The meeting on Wednesday will also endorse the report of debt waiver up to Rs 2 lakh which already exists. Perhaps when the Punjab government has announced to waive the farm loan up to 2 lakh, the government would not have expected the debt waiver would be so easy. Even after the announcement in this regard, suicides are continuing daily by the farmers. There are more than 5 acres of land, farmers and suicide victims. There are 18.5 lakh farming families in Punjab. 65% of them are small or marginal, and among them 70% are those who have borrowed loans from banks. There is Rs 59,621 crore debt on farmers in the state, of which Rs 9,500 crore is crop loan. Out of these Rs 9,500 crore, Rs 6,000 crore are from the cooperative banks of Punjab and the remaining Rs 3,500 crore are national banks. Although the Chief Minister had made it clear that the government will waive off only crop loan, not other debts borrowed from other means. But in this report of Hague Committee, there are some facts that point towards debt suicide. At the same time, government is also under pressure due to the rising rates of suicide as well as from the farmer unions. In Wednesday's meeting, the funds for debt waiver to farmers will also be discussed. Sources said that the Punjab government has also appealed to the centre to extend the term and borrowing limit to help meet farm debt waiver costs in the state. Sources disclosed that the request has been referred to the Union Finance Ministry of consideration. This issue will also be discussed in the Cabinet subcommittee meeting on Wednesday. It is pertinent to mention here that the centre had earlier rejected the appeal of the farmers' debt waiver of the Punjab by saying that such other states would make such demands. However, if the centre accepts the borrowing limit demand, then the Punjab government will able to take a decision increasing the coverage of farm debt waiver.